That is a sail. That is a pail. That is a snail. Let's turn the page. Oh no. That is a clam. And that is some jam. And that is some ham. And it's not kosher. Oh no. That is a seal. And he's eating a meal. And the fish is making a deal. And that is an octopus and it's wet. It is a wet octopus.
She loves octopuses. She's so fun.
And that is a jet. And that is a pet. And you close the book again. Oh, it's open. That is the sun. And look at the fishy looking in the sun. And that is a crab and he is running. And that is a starfish and they're having fun. Sun, fun, and run. Okay. Shell. And a bell. And wishing well. Yay!
Nice girl.
This is the sand.
Nice girl.
And that is the land. And this is a hand.
Good turning the page.
Star. 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 Da, da, da. Let's put that there. Oh, look at that. She's got the book.
So cute.
Yes, but can you read upside down? Can you read upside down? That is the question! Oh no! Okay, lie down.
Bye-bye.
Relax. Relax.